Here's what no one tells you about being your own boss. Research shows 90% of the small business fail in the first 5 years. Some say 95% of them fail. And whatever is left, that 5%, that 95% of those businesses will fail after the 5 years. Now, whatever the percentage is, it is a high failure rate. I truly believe most entrepreneurs fail, or most businesses fail, because they don't understand what I'm sharing with you. You see, when you're working for others, when you're working at a job, you're working for a company, you're working for a corporation, you're working for others, and the truth is you're not really working for others. The ones who are working for others who have a job, you're actually working for yourself. Let me explain. Because when you're working for others, you don't need to worry a whole lot. What you're focusing on is what you're getting paid, your paycheck. You're getting paid once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month. You're working for yourself. You want to get that paycheck so you can pay for your house, your mortgage, your car payment, the vacation. You want that vacation pay, or you want to increase your earning per hour. Instead of getting 12, 13 bucks, you're getting $1 more, $2 more, right? You want the bonus at the end of the year, or you want that pay raise. It's all, notice, me. So when you're working for others, you have a job working for a boss, you're actually working for yourself. Because for most employees, they don't think very far. Right now in Vancouver, there are a lot of different protests that are happening. People say, I want better benefit, I want pay raise, and all these things. It's all me. Nothing wrong with that. That's an employee mentality. When you're working for yourself, starting your own business, being your own boss, running a company, when you're working for yourself, here's the truth that no one tells you. You're actually working for others. Because you look at your income statement, you look at your balance sheet. Now, I know I have a lot of entrepreneurs who follow me, so comment below. Tell people the truth. You get paid last. Everybody else gets paid before you get paid. And in some cases, you don't get paid for many, many years. When you're working for yourself, running a company, acting as an entrepreneur, being an entrepreneur, you're actually working for others. You're working for society. You're working for your vendors. You're working for the bank if you have bank loans. You're working for thousands, tens of thousands of customers. Instead of having one boss, you now have thousands and thousands and thousands of bosses. It's a very, very different thing. And you eat last. You eat last. Because you pay everybody else. You pay your employees, you pay your team, you pay the lease, all the expenses, all the overhead. If whatever is left, you get paid a little bit. And chances are, when you're working for yourself, you're your own boss, take that money and reinvest back into your business. That's the reality. So a lot of people, they got into entrepreneurship with the wrong mentality and say, oh, I want freedom. I want to be able to do whatever I want. I want to be able to serve myself. I want to be able to do all these things. Well, guess what? It's the opposite of that. When you're an entrepreneur, a true entrepreneur, when you're a successful entrepreneur, you have a lot of responsibilities. You're responsible for your team. You're responsible for your customers. You're responsible for your vendors. If you're a public company, you're responsible for your shareholders. This is why entrepreneurs get paid a lot of money, because when you're working for yourself, you're actually working for others, you have a job, it's instant gratification. When you are running your own business, it's delayed gratification. In some cases, you won't get paid for many, many, many years. As an entrepreneur, you understand, myself, I understand, I don't mind eating last, as long as I'm eating most. And that's what entrepreneurship is all about. So if you go into entrepreneurship thinking, I want to get paid in a month, I want to get paid in 3 months, I want to get paid in 6 months, I want to get paid in 1 year, not going to happen. You notice most successful entrepreneurs, even the ones who are good, the one you look up to, the one you admire, took years, in some cases, decades. They work hard for decades, 10 years or more, without a whole lot of success, a lot of sacrifice in terms of effort, time, family, everything, until they hit that tipping point. Then their career takes off. That's what people don't see. And then finally, they can reward themselves because they've been waiting for a long, long time. As a good entrepreneur, we are not thinking next month, next week, next day. We're thinking 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. What are we building? And be able to put everything on the line and take that risk. That's the truth of entrepreneurship that no one talks about. So you have to ask yourself, do you have what it takes
Before the program started, I went through all the videos and the material, and I tried to practice and incorporate it and internalize the teachings before the training even started. It's been immensely helpful. The past 5.5 to 6 weeks, I closed $6,500 in sales. Now, this is a service I will have to provide, but what was different this time around than before is that opportunities seem to be coming, or maybe I recognize opportunities more. I was able to take advantage of it. Thank you, Seafood Dan, for your training, for the knowledge, and I look forward to really getting to the training itself.
And it was my first month of graduation, and now it's my second month, so it's my second milestone, and this is my second video, and I can tell you $47,000 in the bag, and I was closed $3,225 United States dollars. Boom, in the bank account. Remember, guys, you are closer than you think.
Truly what it takes to be your own boss, or is it just a cool fucking thing you hear? You see other people on Instagram, oh, I'm my own boss, I'm an entrepreneur, I am a lifestyle entrepreneur, whatever that is. People don't get it. And I see all these young guys, that's why they fail. Now, if you want to know what type of entrepreneur you should be and what kind of path you should take, click a link here. I'll create a special personality test. They will give you some clarity of what area you need to focus on and where should you start. There's so many different types of business models and which one is ideal for you. Just because a model that works for somebody else doesn't mean it'll work for you. You need to find what works for you. You need to find out what your strengths are, and you want to build your business around your personality and your strengths. That's the key. Don't try to be somebody else. Be you, but be the best version of you, and that's how you succeed long term. So check that out.